Hello, hi. So, I cut my hair and my bangs are too short, which is fine. So, I'm going to do my makeup and that will fix it. Cool. Concealer. Boop. MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder. Okay, I'm going to use this other powder. It's from Estee Lauder. It's very old. I probably shouldn't be using it, but it is a little bit darker because I feel like what I have at the moment is too light. That's all right. You can make it work. Sorry. You can make it work. What's that in my eye? I've got powder in my eyeball. That's fine. Did that make any difference? Let's not go there. Okay. I've got some browns and some pink stuff, so let's go with that. A little bit of a mid-tone brown in the crease. This is Soft Brown by MAC. Doesn't really matter. Okay, that was a long time to blend something that you're not going to see by the end of this. A light wash of a sort of nudish, a nudie pink type color that you cannot see. Okay, I'm going to use my finger. There we go. A little bit better. Okay, I don't need this brush. My neighbors are making noises. Cool. Okay, I need some pink sparkles. Right now, this is not sparkling, so I'm gonna search through what I have. All right, I found it. I have this Colourpop palette. I'm gonna use some pink sparkling something. I probably should use glitter glue, but at this point, meh, that's fine. Will I have glitter all over my face in 10 minutes? Yes. Do I care? No. It's already in my nose. Okay. Okay. That is the pink glittery thing. And then I'm going to add some more. Just in the center. This is more white-ish glitter. Cool. Cool, cool. I need to wipe my hands. I've got sparkling all over. That's great. So I'm gonna try it. Okay. Now I have this itty bitty eyeshadow palette with this very dark brown and a flat brush. So I'm gonna smush it all over my lash line. Okay, I think I've got glitter in my eyeball. That's fine. It's okay. I'm not dragging or lining or doing anything. I'm just placing and smushing. Just give it a little wiggle. And then I'm going to put a lot in the lower lash line. Now, trying to find a finger that doesn't have glitter all over it. Well, I'm going to smudge it with my finger. With a smaller brush and the slightly lighter brown. the slightly lighter brown. I'm gonna keep smudging. Fluffy brush and basically the same color as your skin tone, which for me is beige. Just around wherever you've put the brown. I'm going to put a brown, is this coal? Yes, eye coal in my waterline. No, I'm going to add a little black. I'm going to do mascara. This is Maybelline Lash Sensational, by the way. And yes, I do have glitter in my eyelashes, but it's cool. For complexion products, I'm going to start with blush. This is Happy by, what is it? Oh, this is Rare Beauty. I got a mini one at Christmas. Yes, I'm putting a cream blush over powder. Fine, it's fine. Oh, I've got glitter in my soul at this point. That's great. What is this? Flexitarian by Colourpop. It is a shiny. Ooh. Blending. Blending. Am I in the shot? Who knows? Oh, you know what? I'm going to put a teeny tiny bit of this right here. This is Dandelion by Benefit. Is it Benefit? Yes, it is. Just over the blush because there isn't enough, clearly. Cool. And finally, got a mess here. Why is the drawer not closing anymore? It was closing before. Are you in the right place? No. Yes. For lipstick, I'm using Whirl by MAC because it's my fave. And smudging it because I like a smudgy lipstick. Like you put it on 4 hours ago and this is what's left. Anyways, and then lip gloss. This is Fussy by Fenty in an itty bitty one that I got also at Christmas because it smells delicious. I didn't even do my eyebrows. I'm not gonna. So I really hope you can see the glitter. Is this too much of everything? Probably. Oh well. This is it. With the bangs. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.